and in other state, that is Andhra Pradesh, 22nd or 23rd we have planned to launch. There also we would be covering similar set of districts and villages. See, generally we remain in those places at least for a day. We will be roaming around in all the places. We see typically what villages we are selecting is village with around 2000 population, 1000 to 2000 population, wherein there are no banks or there are only one or two banks. Still parallelly always there is a unorganized sector which is working. So we are going there and trying to educate all the villages that better to come to a bank. For 4 to 6 months is our original plan. 6 to 12 months. That is pan India, across the country. No, see, again, he will be having certain, he takes leave. We actually have a concept by name. We call them as GBO, Grameen Bank Officer. In our bank already we have such rural development officers. So by rotation, see, for example, if a nearby village is native of, say, Mr. A, so Mr. A would go to those villages and nearby villages because impact will be better. See, Telangana, we have total 197 branches as of now, okay, and around 85 branches are metro or urban. So 56% is semi-urban and rural. 56%. 197 branches, around 118 or so will be rural and semi-urban. And there are around 32 places where only HDFC bank is there, no other bank is there. 32. We call it as our mini branch. Okay, Adilabad district, then Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Medak, Nalgonda, Mehboob even Warangal. We have such type of branches. Branch expansion plan, yeah, this, see, when we launched the 150th branch, I think all of you had come. We will be launching again 200th branch, we would be calling you. But that might, see, generally what happens, our identification of the survey, identification is going on now. The actual opening of the branch picks up after October, November. Okay. Maybe next 3 months to 4 months, by December or January, by the next year, we will be having 200 branches. This year, we are planning 23 branches here in Telangana. This physical, before March 16. If I don't remember the exact date when we called all of you for 150th branch. After that, we have already opened 40 branches. I think this was just 23 branches we are opening. We will be about 200 branches before March 16. Yeah, we have. See, I'm sure all of you are aware that is a state level bankers committee, which we are also a member, which is conducted either by the Chief Minister or the Finance Minister in presence of Regional Director of Reserve Bank of India and General Manager. Like State Bank of Hyderabad is a lead bank here in Hyderabad. We also go there. Mr. Mukundan is our nodal officer. We get this data, the branches where there is no bank. Okay, if I am opening a branch also, I have to take a certificate from SLBC that I will be the first bank in that place. We have opened similar branches. This data, even I think if you go to the website of SLBC or RBI, you will be able to get it. It's a public knowledge. It is there. Anyway, we are immediately going from here to Shamshabad, Shadnagar. We are going towards Mehboob Nagar district. About organized banking and not to canvass any bank account. See what happens, we do not want, this is a CSR initiative, Swachha banking. We want to educate and create awareness among all rural people. We also are from rural place. So we understand, see, we have already opened more than, if you take only Telangana, we have opened more than 1 lakh Dhanchayat Yojana. We have already provided insurance. I'm sure all of you are aware. Jeevan Jyoti Suraksha Yojana and Jeevan Bima, Prime Minister's Jeevan Bima Yojana. We have almost around 2.9 lakhs policies we have issued. Okay. These are of course from the branches. But what we are going to do is see where our branches are there. We are trying to avoid them. But on the way, if there is a branch, that village is there, surely we will cover that also. But request and mandate to the executives is only to focus on awareness. See, exact amount, I'm sure all of you are aware, any private organization has to spend 2% of our profit. And I'm sure that you are also aware, HDFC Bank for 31st March 2015 had got 10,800 crore of profit. So 2% you can calculate, 10,800, exact amount 10,840 crores. But don't quote those numbers. My request is 2% of whatever profit we are making, we have a board mandated policy, we would be spending. No, surely not, because that would be a big sum. We are carrying various initiative, like in Telangana only, there is an initiative which is ongoing, Akshaya Akriti. We are doing it, see, where blind people, children are there, we are supporting them in education. See, lot of initiatives HDFC Bank does, which while some we would like to involve media, because this is a very mass program. We want this to reach to each and the corner of Telangana. That's why we have involved you, and we want your support in spreading this awareness. But there are lot many things which we do not involve, because see, if I'm spending say 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 25 lakhs, we do not want to make it a big event. Here we are going to see across 5,000 villages, means amount would be substantial, but it's very difficult to put a figure to that. And we would be flagging off the Dhanchayat van. I request all of you also to cooperate, take a photo and give us wide publicity. We once again thank you very much for coming over here.